Hi, I'm Jordan Myers at Bill Caldwell Ford, and this Feature Friday, for this week I'm going to be showing you how to get your Ford factory door code with 2 sets of keys on this 2020 Ford Super Duty F350. So on a 2020 Super Duty, if your key fob is dead, the battery went dead in or something like that, to start the vehicle with the push button, you have to locate where the key goes. So that is right in the little cup holder. Right here it has a spot where you can put the key at. It'll fit in there perfectly. Right like this, and then you let all the lights of the vehicle shut off. And then you press your run button without starting the vehicle. Let it turn on, press OK to get through accessory power mode. You shut the vehicle off, grab your second key here, and then you put that in there. Do the same thing, press OK a couple times. Your factory key code will pop right up on the screen. Now once you have your factory door code, you can program any 5-digit code that you want since you have your factory door code. That allows you to lock your keys in the vehicle, walk up to it, type in your factory door code or the 5-digit code you just made for yourself. Just easier to get in and out of the vehicle. I'm Jordan Myers here at Bill Caldwell Ford. If you have any questions on how to figure out your door code, stop in and see me or give me a call. Thank you for watching.
You feel better in a Bill Caldwell Ford.